Right, so first things first, get yourself a measurement, then pick your bit of timber, get up on the scaffold, have a little look along it, see which way the bow is, you want the bow facing up, then mark out your plumb cut, cut it off with a circular saw, flip your rafter over, put your measurement on, now you can mark out the seat cut. This time you want to get your circular saw and just put it to the angle of the roof that you're going to butt into. Now cut along your seat cut. Have a little look at it. Yeah, that's cool. Walk it over. Pop it in its final resting place. Stick a nail in the bottom. Stick a nail in the top. Then one in the side of the top. Then again. Then again. Then another one in the bottom. Then again. Then again. One more. And there you go. One jack rafter. And in the words of Jesus, that'll do.